I've had a bunch of questions on the homework, so I was going to walk through a couple with you. If I look at number 1, it says the probability, all right, of spinning a spinner and landing on C. Okay. We also want to make sure that if we read the directions, I want the answer as a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. So in this case, the probability of getting a C. Well, if I look at the spinner on the right, okay, how many C's are on the spinner? Well, I see 1 C on the spinner, so that will be the numerator, 1. That's the number of favorable outcomes. Okay? The number on the denominator is how many options there are. Well, if I count the numbers, I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different letters on the spinner, so that's my denominator, 1/6. That's my answer as a fraction. Now, as a decimal, how do I convert a fraction to a decimal? I divide. 1 divided by 6. That would give me an answer of 0.16. Repeating. Okay? Now I need to make that into a percent. So how do I make a fraction or a decimal into a percent? You multiply it by 100, and that would give me an answer of 16.6. Repeating. Percent. Again, as a fraction, decimal, and a percent. Okay, now let's say I go to number 2. Okay, number 2 wants to know the probability of finding a G. Well, if I look at that spinner, my numerator is how many G's are on that spinner. I look and I see 0 G's. That's my numerator. My denominator, again, just like the previous one, would be 6. There are 6 letters on the spinner. 0 out of 6. It is impossible. There's no chance. I could spin the spinner 1,000 times and I will never land on a G because there's not a G in the problem or on the spinner. So therefore 0 out of 6 would be my fraction. As a decimal, that's just 0. And as a percent, it would be 0%. Okay? That's how you would solve a problem like that. Okay, if I go down to, I'll do number 7 with you, just to give you an idea of that one. Probability of a 9. Okay, probability of a 9. If I look at, I have 8 cards. Okay, they're marked 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Well, how many 9s are there? 1. Okay, 1 9. Out of how many cards? Well, it just told me, I'm sorry, there's 8 cards. So you get 1/8. Again, you need to convert that into a decimal and a fraction. So I'm going to get my calculator out here to divide 1 divided by 8. That would give me an answer of 0.125. And then I multiply that by 100 to get 12.5%. Okay, so for those of you who are having trouble, hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. If you still have questions, please ask me. I'll get back to you throughout the day. If you submitted this already and you're like, oh crap, I did not do any of this correct, just redo it and resubmit it. Okay? Thanks so much, guys. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon.